Good Tuesday morning, everybody. This is Steve Monday, Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on with weather outside right now. So in the southeast, you see some isolated showers in the Gulf of Mexico. Also, some isolated showers and thunderstorms just off the coast of Florida, spreading out to the Atlantic. We've still got high pressure dominating most of the area that will keep us dry over the next couple of days, but there are some changes coming, and we'll talk about those in just a few moments in the 5-day forecast. But for now, let's take a look at the temperatures around the county. So you can see 40s and 50s for the most part around the county, 45 in Salisbury. And as we make our way south and east, we warm up closer to the 50 degree mark. So depending on where you are, it will depend on what your temperature is right now. The model data, again, we're just going to focus on the temperatures because really that's going to be the key impact for us again today. And we will see temperatures warm up even more so than we did yesterday, but still going to feel pretty good outside. So this is 7 a.m. and you can see pretty close to what we're seeing, 40s and 50s throughout the county, and 50s and 40s depending on where you are around the state. And as we make our way through the next couple of hours, this is now, let's see, 12 noon, and you're looking at 60 degrees plus for the county, 70s as you move south and east of us. And as we make our way into the afternoon, those 70s make their way into the county. And this is now going on 7 p.m. and we're going back to the 60s. And by 10 p.m. this evening, we've got a mix of 50s and 60s around the county, depending on where you are. Let's take a look now at what the weather impacts are going to show us for today and some other information that we've got to talk about as well, including what's Hurricane Delta and the impact it could have on us. So today we'll see sunny skies during the daytime hours. Winds will start to transition out of the south and will usher in warmer air for the next few days. Clear skies this evening. So again, just perfect conditions out there. I would like to think that we could continue to keep that stretch going because we've been dealing with it for now about a week and a half, and it's been great. But unfortunately, Hurricane Delta is going to have an impact on that. Delta currently a Category 2 storm that's expected to strengthen to a Category 4 storm over the next 24 hours. It'll impact Cancun later today and during the day on Wednesday. Good news is it gets closer to the United States coastline. The Gulf waters are a little bit cooler there, and that'll cause the storm to weaken. Still looking at a possible landfall in eastern Louisiana on Saturday, early Saturday morning, and looking at likely a Category 2 storm. So the storm will intensify over the next couple of hours and over the next day or two. And then as it hits that cooler water, as it starts to make its way closer to the United States, it will start to weaken. Now, the important thing is if you look at the track, as it starts to make its way, the center of circulation starts to make its way toward Tennessee, over Georgia and Alabama. And you can see that by Sunday, that storm will start to potentially have some impacts for us. We're going to get rain well out ahead of it for the weekend. But depending on the track, it's going to have an impact on how much rain we get. So let's talk about that now. Current model data is indicating we could see anywhere from an inch to maybe an inch and 3/4. And we'll continue to keep an eye on that track because if the track shifts further east, it'll give us more rain. If it shifts further west, it'll give us less rain. So, still a lot of time for things to transition. But basically, as we head into the weekend, look for the potential of rain chances to increase. The amounts are still uncertain as, again, it will depend on the track. 5-day forecast sponsored by SA Sloop Heating and Cooling, built on integrity. Give them a call, 704-857-5684, or visit them at www.sasloop.com. Today, we'll see sunny skies, high of 74, low of 53. Warmer air continues to push in over the next 24 hours. We'll see sunny skies on Wednesday with a high of around 80, low of 55 under clear skies. On Thursday, we'll still be right around that 80-degree mark. We've got 79 for the high. Increasing cloudiness, though, as the remnants of Delta start to get closer to us as we go through the day. On Thursday, we'll see mostly cloudy skies Thursday evening with a low of 57. On Friday, mostly cloudy skies, high of 70. Those rain chances start to increase as we get into Friday evening. We'll see a 40% chance of rain with a low of 60. And then on Saturday, not going to be a washout by any means, but certainly a very inconvenient rainfall is likely we'll see a high of 70, low of 61 with a 60% chance of rain. So we'll certainly keep you updated there. In the meantime, if you're looking for ways to get updates from Rowan County weather, you can visit us on our website at www.rowancountyweather.com. Also, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter if you utilize social media. If you don't utilize the internet or social media, but you have cable TV or you know someone who has cable TV, they can check us out on WSRG TV in Salisbury, and that's available on Hotwire as well as Spectrum, and we'll certainly keep you updated there. We'll continue to keep you updated on Delta and the track that the storm's going to take over the next few days, as well as weather conditions that'll take place for us in between. As of now, enjoy your Tuesday, and as always, thank you for following Rowan County weather.